And welcome. My name is Miraculous Miracle, and I'll be taking you guys how to create a WhatsApp mini e-commerce store. So the app you're going to be using is the Vipa app. You can see the app here, Vipa app. But if you don't have it, you have to just go to Play Store to download the app. Just search for it, Vipa, Vepaar, then download. But since I already have the app, let's proceed. So now, this is what it's going to show you first. You have to sign into it. You have to sign in. I think I have an account already. Let me just check. Let me click on sign in. So once you've created an account with the app, you'll be receiving a email message on your Gmail. So you have to check your app first. So let me go to Gmail. So okay, this is it here. You can see this is the VPR app here. Welcome to VPR. So you have to activate the account first before you can use the app. So click on activate. Good. So once you've activated it, you can now go back to the app to continue using. Now let's proceed. Your business name. Let me add my own business name. Then about you. Okay, I'll be using. Let me just use a popular something. Let me use God's Grace Venture. I just want to use something that relates to selling of stuffs. God's Grace Ventures. Then about your business, you can add we deal in selling of female wears, male wears. Yes, it is. So whatsoever your business is about, you just write it here. Then your country is Nigeria and the currency is Naira. Click on continue. So now you have to add the logo. I don't think I have a better logo. Let me just add any picture on my file. Let me just check for any picture. Okay, let me just add one picture. Let me just add this picture as the logo. But you should have a logo for your business. I know. Hope you know that. So let me just add any one. Then I click on finish. So after you've done everything now, let's move on to editing your website. So the first thing to check here is your info. Yeah, check the info here. Then click on info. in the info here, you can change your profile image here, your cover image, your business name, everything that you want to change. You can change it, and your address. You can add an address to it. So let me just add a random address here. 52 Buhari Street. Sapa Road. Lagos. So you cannot add the address of your business location to this place, though it's optional. So click on save. So now the next thing we're going to be adding now is numbers. Yes, add your WhatsApp number to it. Your country code, you're a Nigerian. Then your WhatsApp number. Let me add mine. Then you on this particular status, you on it. Then click on add. So after that, you're going to move to the social links. Here you can add your social media page link. Just go to your profile, either your Instagram profile or your Facebook profile. Then you add the link. Just copy your profile link. If it's your Instagram profile you want to add there, click on Instagram and just paste the Instagram link here. But I'm not doing that. So let me just go back. Now The next place you are going to is the domain. The domain here. Click on domain. Now, this particular subdomain is what you want, like the name of your link. So now they added 1k dpx here, and I don't want it, so I will just cancel it and write out what I want. Alright, God's Grace Guild Ventures. Then I'll save it. This is what I want. So okay, it must be. This is going to be. Okay, you understand? So this is how the domain name is going to be. You have then. So if you want to check your website, you just click on you can copy this out somewhere. So this is your website name. Go like whatever you put here .was.bz. Then click on save. Okay, it has been taken, so I have to pick another name since the top domain name has been taken. So let me just take another name then. Let me pick okay, let me pick Instawares. Then click on save. Okay, so now this particular subdomain is like the subdomain of this part of my site. So it's going to be instawares.was.biz, not instawares.com. So now after the domain, let's move on to the next. I think let's check contacts. Okay, you can add contacts here. You can add your name. You can be Mrs. Miss and then your WhatsApp number. Then add, click on add. Success. So after that, then now let's see your dashboard first. Okay, you have no orders yet since you're just starting the site. Then your products. Let's go to adding your product to your website. So now let's proceed with adding your product to your site. So this is where like your customers will come to whenever they want to check whatever you have on your store. So click on products here. click on add categories. The category name might be let me see, female shoes. Then you add a product to that particular category. You can have like maybe like more than 10 categories safe, but just make sure your website is like organized. You can put male wears in a particular place, female wears, children wears, etc. But this one is for female shoes, so I'll be adding a female shoes pictures here. Click on simple. Then the name should be maybe let me just say Gucci made or something like that. Gucci made. Then the price maybe 2,000 naira. Add selling price to 2,000 naira. Then skip this measurement option. Now this part is for maybe those that are selling something like rice, maybe like 1 bag of rice. But okay, you can add maybe like 2 pieces or something like that. I don't know. 2 pieces. Let me see what is here. You can see 2 kilograms. So for people that are selling measurable products, but just leave it alone. Now your description, you can add whatever you want to add there. You can add it comes with a bag, it comes with extra something, anything you want to put there, just add it. Then you can skip these ones that are here, then click on create. So you can see now under female shoes we have a particular, okay, I've not added a picture to it. Let's add image. Click here to add image. Then let me add, choose from gallery. Female shoes, okay. Okay. Yeah, so this is it now. Let's see how it is here. So you can see now under female shoes here we have the picture of the shoe here and the price under it. You can see the description here, Gucci made. If you want to add other things here, you can add it there. So you can also add more shoes to it. You can add more to it. You can add just as long as you can add any other thing you want to add, just keep adding and adding and adding. Okay, let me create another category again. Just click on categories and click on add here. Then click on, let me say, children wears. Create. So now you go back to categories again and click here. Save. Wait, let me go. Okay, you go back to products. Go back to products, then you add a particular product to that category, children wears. Click on add products, click on simple, and just pick whatever name you want to pick. You can pick age, maybe age 4 to 10. I don't know. Pick your price, 2,000 naira. I'm just showing you how you can do your own. I'm not into this business, so I'm just. So after that, you can now add image. Image, children wears. Add. Click on this add button. Choose from gallery and. Okay, see something here. Then you add. So I hope you guys understand this process. So you can this process you can have over 100 categories. So you just keep adding, and be creative about it. Also be organized. You can just add different features to it. So now I think the last thing here is the payment. Let's check payment. So now this payment, I'll prefer you guys to, once your customer visits your site, there will be a particular link like on the site that he or she will click on that will direct them into your WhatsApp DM. So I prefer you guys to interact very well on WhatsApp than paying through this app. I don't really trust the app. I don't know, sure. The best is by you guys starting on WhatsApp. But if you are fine with this one that here too, you can add your Paystack details here. Paystack is a website for paying, like an African website for payment stuff. Flutterwave too is also here. You can add your payments. Just click on settings and edit your details here. Enable and save and everything here. But I'm not doing that. So I think that's all for this. That's all. So okay, let's go back and then click on this profile here if you want to turn on notifications of the app. So in case someone orders for a product, you receive a message instantly. Click here and click on this stuff. Open settings, then allow the app to display over other apps. What's the name of the app? Say Vipa. Then you allow. That's all. Then go back. So that's all. Then let me see my profile. Let's check. Okay, that's just this thing. So now, if you want to check how your site is by yourself, click on this button here. Click here. Now let's check on Chrome. You can see the name here is instawares.was.bz. You can see how beautiful is it, but I don't know. You don't really find it, but I know that here you guys have ideas of how your website is going to be. You just edit it and you can see now. So this is like I'm an outsider. I want to order something from your store. I will click on this store here. Then I'll click on add to cart. That's if I want to buy. Then after adding to cart, I'll not go back to cart again. Then I'll click on continue, and please you can put your number. If you want to put your number, let's put it. Let's put. Click on place order. So you can see Vipa will notify you immediately that there's an order. Let me just dismiss it. Hope you guys understand. When I place the order, Vipa will notify the owner of the site that there's an order from somebody. So this is how it's going to be when you order something from somebody. So and also now let's go back to the app. Now if you want to share your website link, just click on this share button here. You can copy the link or you just share on WhatsApp to anybody. So that's all for this class. I hope you guys gained something tangible. Thank you for watching.